Hello everyone and welcome to 1101 Baxter Way located in Collier Township. This is a new construction custom home built by Pirain Homes and you'll be pleasantly surprised. Come on in and take a look. The moment you walk into this house, the one thing that you can't miss is all the woodwork and detail. It's throughout the whole entire first floor as well as upstairs too. There's hardwood floors that encompass the entire first floor, butler's pantry, and a kitchen that you will love. As you can see, this kitchen has an eating island open to the living room. And there's also an option for a first floor master. Hardwoods encompass the whole first floor, gas fireplace, covered rear porch, great private backyard, and again, can be a working office or a first floor suite. One of my favorite things about this house at 1101 Baxter has to be the master bedroom. Come in and take a look, you'll be surprised. In addition to being oversized with a tray ceiling and having all this crown molding, you also have a great sitting room with windows out to the backyard, 2 walk-in closets with custom cabinetry, as well as my favorite part, the master bathroom. In the master bathroom, you have double bowl sinks, abundant storage, and this shower that I just cannot get over. Take a look at it for yourself. Thank you again for checking out our video of this wonderful home. And please, if you'd like to schedule an appointment, reach out to us. There's so much detail that we weren't able to show you today, and we look forward to this being your next home.